आवर टॉपिक इज ट्रायंगल और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के बारे में। एक्सरसाइज 6.5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, द परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम ए ऑन साइड BC ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल ABC intersect BC at D such that DB is equal to 3CD and prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So now first of all we draw the figure, that is suppose this is a triangle ABC, here that is A, here is B and also C, and the perpendicular from A से एक perpendicular लाइन ड्रा किया, that is D which is 90 degree. So what is given of this? That is given. Now we can write given in triangle ABC AD perpendicular on BC and DB is equal to 3CD. Now what is our proof? That is to prove what is this? That is 2AB square, 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Now solution, that is our solution is here this. Since AD perpendicular on BC, that is the given, therefore angle ADC and angle is equal to angle ADB, both are 90 degree. Now here there are two right triangles, in triangle ABADC and other is ADB. So now we will take in triangle ADC, that is by Pythagoras theorem. What is say? That is AC square is equal to AD square plus, now here is AD square, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square plus CD square. This is 1. Now we have to find AD, that is here is both are common, therefore AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. Now take this is coming from this side, that is plus, which is also is equal to minus, that is AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square, that is here in equation 2. Now again we take this triangle again in right triangle, that is in right triangle ADB. What is this? This is also right triangle, so we have to use the Pythagoras formula. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now this one, find AD square, because this will put AD square, so therefore AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Clear? And now this AD square and also AD square, this is equation number 3. From equation 2 and 3, from equation 2 and 3 we have, that is put AC square minus CD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Now here clear, and what is given, that is BD is equal to 3CD. now we put BD is equal to 3CD in this equation, in equation 4. Now we will get, that is here this one is put BD is equal to 3D 3 into CD in equation 4. Therefore AC square minus CD square is equal to AB square minus what is BD, that is 3CD. Now this is 3CD whole square, that is AC square minus CD square is equal to AB square or minus 9CD square, that is 3 का square 9 and CD का square, that is CD square. Now transfer from this, yeah, this is also here either AC square minus CD square plus 9CD square is equal to AB square. Now therefore AB square is equal to AC square plus 8CD square. This is equation number 5. Now here we look in the figure, that is CD. First of all, what is BC? Since BC is equal to BD plus CD. Now put BD, what is BD? That is 3CD in here. Therefore BC is equal to 3CD plus CD. Here BD is equal to 3CD, that is given. Now BC is equal to 4CD. This is equation 6. Now put this, the value of BC or CD. Now suppose that is, now take this is 1, that is where there this implies that CD is equal to 1 by 4 BC. Why? Because our proof in, that is AB, AC and in terms of BC. Now this is equation number 6. This one. Now put these values in here, equation number 5. Now using equation 6 in equation 5. Therefore what is this? AB square is equal to AC square and plus BC 8 into BC upon 4, that is whole square. Here AB square is equal to AC square plus 8 into BC square upon 16. Now cut this one is 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. This is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square upon 2. Now take this one LCM. So that is AB square is equal to here 2, that is AC 2AC square. Now here 2 AC square plus BC square. Now this 2 is taken here, therefore 2 AB square is equal to 2 AC square plus BC square. देखो here this is our proof, hence that is proved. Now this is our proof. Here this and this is also equal to here. Okay, thank you.